Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay security setting. And in today's video, I'll show you on how to turn on Alipay Face ID login verification. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on account. Go ahead and click on this setting icon from the top corner. Proceed to account and security. Go to login method. Go ahead and click on sign in with face right here. However, bear in mind that these features here only work with people that are in mainland China. So if you are not in China, or you are outside China, or you are not Chinese, you cannot use this particular face ID. But if you are non-Chinese and you are in China and you are using Alipay Chinese fashion, it is advisable for you to enable sign in with face in order to give your Alipay app maximum security. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your Alipay, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.